Hello viewers and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate you to restrict copying files from your laptop or PC to external pen drive or hard disk. To achieve this, we will have to edit certain settings under local group policy editor so that we can achieve this restriction. So currently I am on my Windows 11 Pro system version. So first thing first, open your run command by pressing Window and R button together, and here type the command gpedit.msc. Hit OK. This should open local group policy editor window. Under computer configuration, look for administrative templates. Double click here, then go inside the system folder and navigate to find your removable storage access. Double click here. This will open the setting page. Under setting page, you will have to locate removable disk settings. There are three removable disk settings: deny execute access, deny read access, and deny write access. So first we will edit the settings inside this deny write access. To do that, double click here. This will open up another window. Here currently it is not configured. So what it says under help section, if you enable this policy settings, write access is denied to this removable storage class. And this we want to do that because we don't want our PC file to get copied with the USB or external hard disk. So just come here, hit enable. Now your apply button will get active. Click apply and then hit OK. Now we have to switch to another setting called deny read access here. Double click here. Currently it is not configured. So I want to disable this because I don't want to restrict the pen drive which I am going to plug into my laptop to allow me to read. Means I want to read the file which is there in the pen drive. I can access that, I can view the file, I can copy the file from the pen drive to my laptop or PC, but I want to restrict the usage of pen drive to copy any file from my PC or laptop. So it is going to provide me perfect control on the usage of external hard disk or pen drive. So it's just one way in. I'm hitting apply and then click OK. After doing these two steps, close the local group policy editor, and now I'm going to demonstrate you like whether this settings working correctly for me or not. So you can check this out on your any demo system first, learn everything correctly, and then perform these particular settings to your live system. So I am plugging in my pen drive. So in my pen drive, you can see there is one file called pen drive files, and on my laptop, the desktop, I have PC file. So you can distinguish which is my PC file and which is my pen drive file. So let's first check if it is allowing me to read this file or not. I'm double clicking it to open. As you can see, it is allowing me to open the pen drive file. I'm closing this one, and now I'm trying to move this file from my pen drive to my desktop. So let's check that out if that works or not. Yes, system is allowing me to copy the file from my pen drive to my PC. And now the main purpose of our video was to restrict anything from getting copied from my PC to my pen drive. So let's try that out if that works for me or not. I'm copying to my pen drive and here we go. It is not allowing me to do that. Even if I hit continue, it still doesn't permit me to perform this action. So in this way, we can protect our confidential data which is lying in our system and prevent any unauthorized access of any pen drive or external drive to your PC. So please check this out, and I hope this video is going to be very helpful for specifically for Windows 11 Pro users. But yes, these settings can be achieved in Windows 11 home version as well, but we have to do everything like going through that registry editing mode. I will paste some commands in description. Do check that out if that helps you out in restricting and achieving this. But I haven't checked that, so please make sure that you are performing this kind of settings on your any demo system first. Learn it, educate yourself, and then perform on your live business system or home system. So yes, if you want to revert back all the settings, you can go ahead, go back to your local policy entity settings and revert those changes, both the changes to not configured settings. I hope you will like this video. If you find this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe. So see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.